If you want to learn how to check your MSN email quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to access your MSN email using Microsoft Edge so you can get into your inbox without any confusion. This is a very easy method, and it works great if you use MSN, Outlook, or a Microsoft email account. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how your device is set up. Once the browser opens, you'll see the search bar at the top. In that search bar, type outlook.com. Now, as you start typing, you should see Outlook appear as a result. Click on it to open the official Microsoft Outlook website. This is where MSN email is handled, so this is the correct place to check your inbox. If you're already signed in, your mailbox may open right away. If you are not signed in yet, Microsoft will ask you to log in with your email address and password. Enter your MSN or Microsoft account details carefully, then follow any verification steps if they appear. After signing in, you will be taken to your Outlook inbox. From there, you can view your emails, open new messages, reply to messages, and manage your inbox just like normal. If you use MSN email regularly, this is the easiest way to check it from your browser anytime you need it. You can also bookmark the page so it's easier to return to later. And that's it. Now you know how to check MSN email using Microsoft Edge and Outlook.com. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.